Camp Butterfly, we've officially did it. We explored as nature explorers, we splashed with the Splash Squad, we created with the creative critters, and we grew with our little learners. Thank you for spending this summer with me at FBB's Butterfly Blog. I hope Camp Butterfly encouraged you to slow down, play more, explore together, and celebrate the little moments. Camp may be closing, but the memories will last long after summer ended. I'll see you on our next adventure. Which Camp Butterfly week was your absolute favorite? Let me know below. Follow FBB's Butterfly Blog on all my social media platforms so you don't miss what's coming next. All my links will be located in the description or the bio depending on the platform. Also, I'll be reposting all of this week's videos just in case you missed them. And remember, stay blessed and blurful, fear less, care more. Enjoy the videos. Hey Blurdies, welcome to a very special week here at Camp Butterfly. Can you believe our summer adventure is coming to an end? Over the past few weeks, we've explored nature, made a splash, gotten creative, and encouraged our little adventurers to spread their wings. But before we officially say goodbye to Camp Butterfly, I want to remind you of something. The goal was never to create a perfect summer. It's about creating moments, a walk outside, a bucket of water, a messy art project, a bedtime story, a new experience that made a little learner say, I did it. For children ages 0 to 5, these everyday moments can become some of their biggest learning experiences. So as we prepare to turn the page on summer, I hope you take a moment to celebrate the memories you made, the things your little learner discovered, and the ways they've grown. Camp Butterfly may be ending, the adventures we've created together can continue all year round. Let's make this final week one to remember. What is one Camp Butterfly moment you'll remember from this summer? Tell me in the comments. Follow FBB's Butterfly Blog on all my social media platforms for more childcare tips, activities, media recommendations, and encouragement. My link tree will be in the description or in my bio, depending on the platform. And remember, stay blessed and blurful, fear less and care more. Let's have a good week. Hey Blurdies! Camp Butterfly may be coming to an end, but look at everything we've learned. Nature taught us to explore, wordplay taught us to experiment, creativity taught us to imagine, and our little adventures taught us the power of confidence. The biggest lesson? Learning doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes all a child needs is a safe space, a caring adult, and the freedom to explore. Which Camp Butterfly lesson was your favorite? Let me know in those comments. And follow FBB's Butterfly Blog on all my social media platforms for more childcare tips and activities. The link tree is going to be located within the description or my bio, depending on the platform. And remember, stay blessed and blurful, fear less, care more. Today's Camp Butterfly tip is simple. Don't let the end of summer mean the end of exploration. Keep asking questions. Keep going outside. Keep creating. Keep reading. Keep letting children try new things. Children ages 0 to 5 are learning every day. And you don't need a special theme or a fancy curriculum to encourage curiosity. The adventure can happen anywhere. Save this reminder for those days you need a little inspiration. And follow FBB's Butterfly Blog for more childcare tips, activities, and encouragement. All my links are in the description or the bio, depending on the platform. And remember, stay blessed and blurful, fear less, care more. Camp Butterfly may be wrapping up, but learning never takes a summer break. Every conversation, adventure, story, and play experience gives children ages 0 to 5 opportunities to learn and grow. So remember, you don't need a perfect activity every day. The everyday moments matter too. Tag a parent, caregiver, or childcare professional who needs this reminder. And follow FBB's Butterfly Blog on all social media platforms for more childcare inspiration. You'll find all my links within the description or bio, depending on the platform. And remember, stay blessed and blurful, fear less, care more. Let's make one final Camp Butterfly activity. Grab a jar, a box, or even a decorated container. Together, write or draw your favorite summer memories. Maybe it's a nature walk, a water day, a favorite art project, or a new adventure. Add your memories in your jar or container and keep them somewhere special. It's a fun way to reflect on summer while helping children practice storytelling and remembering special experiences. Try this with your little learner and share your favorite Camp Butterfly memory with me. And also, follow FBB's Butterfly Blog for more simple activities. All my links are going to be located within the description or bio, depending on the platform. And remember, stay blessed and blurful, fear less, care more. Hey Blurdies! For our final Camp Butterfly media recommendations, let's choose a story that reminds us that adventures don't really end. Pick one of your little learner's favorite summer story, or show, or movie, and read it or watch it together one last time. Maybe it's a story about nature. Maybe it's a story about water. Maybe it's about creativity or courage. After reading or watching, ask, what was your favorite part of our summer adventure? It's a simple way to turn story time into a special reflection on all the memories you've made. Tell me your little learner's favorite piece of summer media in the comments. And follow Faith's Butterfly blog on all my social media platforms for more recommendations, childcare tips, and activities. Links are going to be in the description or the bio, depending on the platform. And remember to stay blessed and blurful. Fear less, care more.